cannot go to the store and come back empty-handed. It's a crime.
Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have this thing that I really want to share with you. I find myself always cleaning and shopping whenever I am sad or maybe depressed. You know that kind of feeling when you're emotional. All I do, the coping mechanism is just for me to go and start cleaning. Like, even though the house is clean, I'll start cleaning, just making sure everywhere is sparkling. And I shop and shop and shop, guys. So please put it in the comment section and let me know, is this truly, like, am I the only one that goes through this? And I just came back from church, so do enjoy this vlog and drop your comment for me. Thank you so much. Love you guys. It's really cold outside. It's about 40 degrees, so I have to cover myself. I need a boot. So let's go to Ross and see if I can see anything for this winter. Honestly, I don't know what is going on because I've been seeing some beautiful boots, but my size, I have a very small leg. Is it that the ones I'm seeing is small, too small, or too big? And also, I want something that at least will reach my knees, close to my knees. Yeah, because it's really cold now.
Cards. 1830. Thank you. Have a good day. Finally, going home. I came to pick up boots, winter boot, but I didn't see any winter boot. But you know now, as a woman, you must pick something else. We cannot go to the store and come back empty-handed. It's a crime. It's a crime for any woman. I need help. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, okay? Mwah.
Hello, my people. So, we're going to be unboxing this J2 Nema. Is it Nema? Yeah, Nama. Yeah, Nama J2 juicer. Let's see what's inside. So we make, guys. I will make it as quick as possible. As quick as possible.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you. You are kind and good to me. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Thank you for everything that I have.
I am honestly grateful for, being able to afford this. I had this in mind all this while, but this was sales. I think they cut like $120 off the normal price of the original price. So I am truly grateful to be able to afford this at this point in my life. So guys, just enjoy this video as I'm gonna try it out. I don't have food to try it out now, but I'm gonna run over to my sister's place to try it out and make sure that what is what the hype. Yeah, I've heard so much about this blender, this Namaje 2. Okay.
Under the moonlight, your eyes shine bright. In a world so busy, you make everything right. Rhythm of our hearts beating in sync. In this Afro groove, we find what we think. Afro R&B flow, feel the night take flight. With every single move, everything. Under the moonlight, your eyes shine bright. In a world so busy, you make everything right. Rhythm of our hearts beating in sync. In this Afro groove, we find what we think. Afro R&B flow, feel the night take flight. With every single move, everything.
This juicer is actually good. The pulp is dry, like very dry, and the sound, you can barely hear the sound of this juicer. Like this juicer is actually very, very good. Like, and To crown it all, they've been saying that the juicer is hard to wash, which I've been seeing on some other people's review, but I tell you, I think it's those people that don't like to wash with their hands, the people that like to use the washing machine to wash. This juicer is actually one of the easiest, honestly. All you have to do is to put it under your tap and run water through it. Like, it doesn't even have like all these cronies where some poops will hang in. Nah, this is actually easy to wash. I'll do a very long or simple sit down video to kind of list out the things I have found out using this juicer for the first time. It's really worth it, honestly. Thank you so much for watching. If you've reached to this point, please do not forget to comment and hit the like button if you've not done so already. I really do appreciate you. I am grateful. Thank you guys so very much.